Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create a simple portfolio website with a tool called Lovable AI. Lovable AI. Let's dive quickly into it. So here is my Google Chrome, and then I'm just going to type lovable.dev, and then we can see it, and then I'll just click on enter. So it loads, and then you see the outcome here. If you are doing this for the first time, you have to log in with your Google account, or you just create an account and then you log in. Immediately you log in, you are going to see this particular session. Before we go on, let me show you my own portfolio website that I've created so that you can have an idea of what we are about to go into. So here is my website portfolio that I built completely with prompt, and you can do this without any knowledge of coding, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or all such. So you can see the home page, and then if I scroll down, you can see the picture blending with the color. You can see book a one-on-one call, hire me. And then if I move down, you can see my story and mission. You can see the picture there. It nicely set with the text. You can see empowering community, strategic vision, purpose-driven impact. You can see my core values, which are excellence, collaboration, and integrity. If you are watching this video for the first time, or if you are in this channel for the first time, kindly like, share, and subscribe. So let's move on. You can see my services. I do AI consulting. I'm a data analysis by training and certification. I also do artificial intelligence training, automation, process optimization, and competitive advantage, creating competitive advantage for small and medium enterprises with artificial intelligence. I also do AI career guidance, which I create career paths planning, skill development, industry insight, and other network building summit. So we can see each part. So this is my AI power solution portfolio. So these are few of the projects that I've created. So we can see a Bright Spark school management system. So let's just go quickly onto it. We'll see the Bright Spark school management system. I also built this with Lovable.dev, the tool I'm about to teach you now. You can see it has every part of it on common events. So this is a school management system for an institution that does the whole job, from analyzing the data of the students, the staff, the attendance, assessment, creating digital report cards, doing analysis of curriculums, and every other thing. So let me just run through quickly. We can see from the student part, we see total number of students, active students, average GPA of students, attendance rate, and then we can also see student records here. So here is the search button where you can search for a particular student. So Smith, you can see that we have Smith here quickly, and a lot of more of that. So we can just click here to add student and all that. So the other part is for staffs, where we have the total number of staffs, active staffs, average experience of each staff, average rating of each staffs, and then we also have the staff records and others. So let me quickly go to this part, which is the attendance. This is the attendance for the students. So this is daily attendance. These are the present today, and these are the absent today. So we see weekly attendance trend. We see class-wise attendance for each class. We can also see assessment, the page where students are being assessed, and management of each assessment, each subject, each class are also being specifically there. So we can see the grade of the student. So we have the analysis of the average GPA of the school. We have the percentage and number of A grade students. Same applies to B grade students. and students that also need improvement. So this helps the school to analyze and assess each of their students and know the students to pay more attention to work on, and know the students that are doing very fine. Finally, that I'll be showing you this part, which is the report card. So this also automatically generates a report card. It calculates the exam scores with the midterm scores, the assignments, and do the grading automatically, and do the summation automatically, put the grade, includes the attendance record, as we can see here, extracurricular activities. It even includes the principal's comment, every other thing, everything is just there. So this is one of my projects that I've done. So let's go back quickly. This is another project, and this is also another project. We can see this second project here. This second project is an EduTest Pro. Recently, one of the developments in the Nigerian educational system is that the West African examination that is being done for SS3 students in Nigeria is going to now be CBT. So I thought about it to create a particular website where students can come and then do their CBT practice before they do the real exam, so that they can know how the computer work, how the website work, and the navigations of all those parts. So we can see it has practice for every major exam. So we see JAM, WAEC, NECO, post-UTME for universities that still do post-UTMEs. I also include professional exams, which is ICANN, Association of Chartered Certified Accountanting, project management exam, Cisco networking exams. I also included SAT exam, that's international exam, graduate record exam, test of English as foreign language, and IELTS. So all this is a website that encompasses all the major exams where you can practice online before the major exam, before doing the major exam. So quickly, here is another project that I did. So I'll be running through this. So this is an LMS. Is an LMS, so it's a learning management system for courses. So we can see active course, watch time, batch end, and daily stacks. We can see course categories where it is going to load, and then you see different courses. So it says no courses found because no courses has been registered for. So going back to my portfolio, so these are the projects I've done. So here you can also include your project. So I also made provision for my YouTube channel. for my YouTube channel for my podcasts like this, where I can embed the links of the videos, and then from my portfolio website it can redirect them to my YouTube channel. So we have this. So quickly, I'll be taking you back. Let's quickly go back, and then I'll show you how to build a portfolio website for yourself just with a prompt. So we are back to the website lovable.dev. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go to ChatGPT and then create a prompt for a portfolio website. So we are just going to tell ChatGPT, hi. So hi, I want. So we are going to say hi, David. To website Lovable. Me questions. Create perfect me to for a full. So let's say a short. So the second one, do you want your personality to come through as a professional, creative, or something else? So I want it to be professional. So the next thing we want to look at there is the purpose. Is your portfolio mainly to showcase your work sample, to get clients, to attract job, or to present yourself more generally? So the is that so we want it to do all of these things that ChatGPT has suggested for us. So the next thing we want to check here is the content. What section should your website have? So home, about me, project, resume, CV. So I want it to have all this, so I'll just copy and paste. Let's have following: skills, data analysis, AI, a public speaker and coach. So let's just use that. And then the next thing it's saying is, what style and vibe do you prefer? Minimal, clean design, bold/colorful. So I prefer bold/colorful. So the next thing I'll be doing is, do you want animation, interactive elements, or AI personal touches like chatbot versions for you? So let's say we want animations, and so after that, the next part is call to action. What should visitors be able to do most easily? So hire you, book a call, download your CV, read your work, follow you. So let's say we want them to do all the above mentioned here. So all the following: use royal blue, gold, and white. So we just click on enter, and then it is going to load and it's going to create a very comprehensive prompt for us. So we can see the prompts here. So what we are just going to do is we'll just copy this prompt, copy all. So we'll just copy the prompts and then Ctrl+C to copy. We'll go back to our Lovable AI, and then we'll just come to ask Lovable to create a prototype. So we click on it, put it there, and then we paste our prompts there. We can see we have pasted our prompts, and then we'll scroll down, and then we hit on the button, the arrow up button here to send it. So once we have hit the arrow button to send, we'll see that Lovable.dev is going to start spinning up preview. It is going to begin to do all the coding, it's going to check the prompts, and it's going to start building all the things needed to achieve such kind of website. Now, if you are here for the first time, kindly like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell, because I'll be creating a video of how to sell this particular website to clients, and how to get clients to sell this website to as a Nigerian. So we can see what is happening. And mind you, the Lovable.dev that I'm using for this particular project is the free version. We can do all this. All of my projects that I mentioned earlier, they are done with the free version of the Lovable.dev. This tool is a very powerful tool. We need to start creating now. Now is the best time for all the creation that has been stopping your idea for a very long time. So we can see that it is spinning up preview. So after creating this particular website, I'm going to show you how to customize it to your own, where you can add your pictures and how to blend the pictures to make it look very good, like a professional website. So here we can see our the preview of our website. It even generated an image for us. And then, so quickly, before I show you the parts of the website, let me show you how to add your own particular image to this website. So we'll just come here and click on the plus icon, and then we are going to click on attach. So immediately we click on attach, it is going to take us to our computer, and then we are going to choose a particular image. So I'll be choosing a particular image from this place. So let me use some of the image I generated with my nano banana. I'll be showing you a video. The video is on my YouTube channel, where I showed how to create images with nano banana. So I will just tell Lovable add images and make it off earlier. So let's click on enter, and then we are going to see a little transformation from our website. So as we can see here, lovable.dev is thinking about how to adjust the existing website to match up with the images that are going to be added to it. And then you can see it has stopped for 18 seconds, and it has said I'll add your photos to the website and intensify the royal blue theme throughout. So let's see the changes that is going to. This is very beautiful. So it gives us an data analysis, AI consulting, and motivational speaking as the three key things that we do. So it says it even generated a dummy project for us: healthcare AI diagnosis system, e-commerce revenue analytics, also leadership development workshops. We can see what people say about you. It even added what people say about it. See, working with David on our predictive analysis project was game changing. Wow, this is very, very interesting. Latest insights. So thoughts on data, AI, and personal growth. So it includes a place where you can include your blog posts, where people can come and read about the things that you have written. So get in touch, where people can get in touch with you. It's also created book a consultation call, download CV, send message, and we can see the first preview. So let's wait patiently for the second preview. So this is what we have as the second preview. This is what we have as the second preview. So it is still doing the editing. So let's click on open preview in new tab, so we can see it in a full screen and know what is actually happening. So we have data analyst, AI consultant, motivational speaker, transforming complex data into actionable insights while inspiring team to reach their full potential through the power of AI and data-driven decision making. So this is very, very interesting. It even did some icons here where you can embed your links, and it can link to the particular channel that it is. So about David, you can see bridging data, AI, and human potential. We can see this looks very, 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 very beautiful. this looks very, very beautiful. This looks very beautiful. So we can also do a lot of adjustments if we still want to. We can do a lot of adjustments. So let's go back to our, we can see that there is a little difference between what we have here and what we have there. So the reason why it is like that is because we have not published it. So once we click on publish, it is going to show us a pop-up where we can click on publish, and after clicking on publish, it is going to load for a while and be published. So immediately after it is published, we are going to go back to, we are going to copy this link and go back to the previous page and then paste the new link there. So let's see what our upgraded website look like. So this is data analyst, AI consultant, motivational speaker. Now this is very much okay with prompts. What we just need to do is we continue to tell it the changes that we want bit by bit, bit by bit, bit by bit, and then we are done with our website. So thank you for watching this video till the end. I will leave the link to the prompts I used in the description below. Do well to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.